Tired of pockets weighed down by bulky gear? Ditch the bulky backpack. Learn how to pack light and smart with our ultimate guide to lightweight EDC. Today we are covering the 10 essential items for everyday carry, each compact and featherweight, perfect for any size pocket. And just before we start, just hit the subscribe button as we work really hard to find the best that suits you. WUBEN X0 EDC Torch. Let's start with the X0 EDC Torch from WUBEN. This is a feature-packed torch that comes handy all the time. It comes with 7 lighting modes for different application scenarios, that starts from SOS to Turbo that light up all the streets easily with the power of 1100 lumens. The WUBEN X0 features a powerful magnet at the bottom, so you can attach it to any metal surface for hands-free use. This is very convenient for situations where you need your hands free, such as working in the garage or fixing your car in the dark. You can also attach it to metal surfaces such as workbenches and refrigerators, so you can easily remove the flashlight when you need it. Smart light reminder, better to know the WUBEN X0 all the time. The James Ellis. The James Ellis V2 is a Spartan yet style-conscious take on a multi-tool that offers a surprising amount of functionality considering the fact it only boasts a trio of tools. The Ellis V2 comes equipped with a set of folding and a pair of collapsible, Swiss Army knife-style scissors, a 2.60-inch nail nick opening blade composed of Sandvik 12C27 material, and TJB scraper which can also conveniently double as a flathead screwdriver or a pry tool. On top of a deep carry-formed wire pocket clip. Offered in 7 different colors, with steel or micarta scales, and with a straight or partially serrated blade. Ekster Cardholder Wallet. When talking about gentleman's game, the Ekster Cardholder is the ace of spades. It's a slim storage wallet, but they call it a smart wallet that is perfect for slim storage and quick card access. A space-grade aluminum smart wallet built for quick access. Furthermore, Ekster is the only wallet that has introduced trackability in the form of a tracker card that you simply slip into the wallet. If you happen to lose it, the tracker can be used to find exactly where your wallet is, which can come in handy. It's made of leather and has a nifty aluminum card holder that fans your cards out at the click of a button. The Sergeant. Designed to be carried comfortably in your front pocket, the Sergeant wallet is made out of real fire hose or USA combat boot leather and built to withstand the stresses of daily use. Over the years, it's been their #1 top seller. That says a lot about the Sergeant. It's made of T70 nylon thread for the most and long-lasting strength that can take any hit, still survives like nothing has happened. Tops Devil's Claw 2. The Devil's Claw 2 comes with all the successful promises that were delivered by the predecessor, the original Devil's Claw, but this time much more refined and better. The original Devil's Claw was designed to be a deep conceal knife with a handle that is short on purpose for concealment in almost any outfit. However, this time the Devil's Claw 2 offers an extended karambit ring handle with black and blue layered G10 handle scales. Featuring a top-notch 1095 blade material of this class, it's more sharp and precise than any of its rivals. And the 1095 blade is protected with a black traction coating. Add a clean karambit design to your arsenal with the Tops Devil Claw 2. Competition Med Kit. Diving straight into the battle or any tactical scenario without a med kit would be foolish, and that's why we kept a kit-like competition in this list. A compact, light med kit that is equally practical to carry is something that no one can underestimate. In fact, competition goes above and beyond against its competitions. It is designed to be more than just a first aid kit. Competition's belt sleeve design can be also used as a holster. The kit is made of 2-part construction that can be unfolded when in need and can carry every medical supplies from minor injuries to equipment to treat life-threatening emergencies. UTP Pants. These urban tactical pants are more than just comfortable and durable, for any critical. They have their own cult following. Well, when tactical pants like these can stay so low-key and sober to retain anonymity, being popular is just a dividend. Usually, tactical pants are not known for their comfort, they are painful if you wear them for a long time. But not this time. UTP's comfort comes from the perfect fit of an elastic waistband with a Velcro fastener to combat and shift anonymity in any situation. At the same time, its thoughtful and fine design comes with different type of pockets and cuffs to carry any tactical essentials. ESEE Izula Knife. ESEE knives are made with absolute attention to detail using the finest raw materials and care during the manufacturing process. They stand behind their knives with a 100% unconditional lifetime guarantee. Think featherweight fortitude. Crafted from tough, high-carbon steel, the Izula shrugs off rust and wear like a seasoned adventurer. Its compact build might fool you, but its razor-sharp edge bites deep, ready to tackle any task the jungle throws your way. Edge Explorer 2. This dependable, easy-to-use GPS cycling computer is all you need to complete your journey and explore the unknowns. So now you can explore the wilds and new paths to see the unseen, with the relief that the Edge Explorer 2 will always get you back home with pinpoint navigation. Moreover, the Explorer 2 has a dedicated e-bike status screen that provides riders with smart routing and important alerts based on battery status, assist level, and your planned course. Pocket Knife Multitool. If you're looking for a sleek and versatile pocket knife that can handle a variety of tasks, the Pocket Knife Multitool is definitely worth checking out. It is built with premium 420C stainless steel, that is built to last with outstanding hardness and rust resistance. Black oxide multifunctional knife sports a sleek, stealth look. Comes with nylon pouch for convenient carry on the belt or trunk. Best EDC car accessories. Packed with 9-in-1 screwdriver set, you can always get the right screwdriver when you take out the pocket knife. It's perfect for indoor and outdoor activities and makes your life more convenient. So, that was our list. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel.